it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion. Lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy.
Some of you don't know who we are. My name is Leo and this is
Jennifer.
We are currently on a 6 months travel through Asia, or
Yeah, Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia, and we are at the moment in Laos.
In Luang Prabang.
Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang. I'm struggling with that one. Today we are going to the waterfalls. You know what?
Kuang waterfalls, I think.
Kuang waterfalls. Kuang waterfalls. So at the moment we are looking for a taxi or tuk-tuk or something like that to get us there. It is a 45 to 1 hour trip there.
But where are all the tuk-tuks?
Yeah, where are all the tuk-tuks? They're everywhere when you don't need them, and when you need them, they are nowhere.
True.
If you wake up someday and you feel like, today I want to be a millionaire, just come to Laos and take out some money. How much money was that in Laos?
2 million.
Okay, so that was 2 million. I'm double millionaire.
Need a bigger wallet. Really?
Well, you have the money.
Really suck at haggling. We were saying before, not more than like 50 per person, and now we got it for 100 per person, so we kind of suck at this.
Yes.
But what can you do? It's not that much of a money for us.
The thing is that it is low seasons here, and usually there are more people in the truck, but now it's only me and Jennifer. Yeah, 2 of us. So I guess the price is a little bit higher because we got like our own private driver. But we will have 4 hours
In the waterfall, yeah.
at a waterfall, and he will wait for us. And actually, it's not that much money.
No. It's like a dinner for one person
Yeah.
in Sweden.
Yeah, it's like a dinner.
Without the beer. So, it's vanishing. Anyway.
See the ocean, how it sways in the sun.
Okay, so we're finally here. It took us, I think, about 45 minutes to an hour, something like that. Now we will look for the waterfall and pay for the entrance, and then maybe take a bath.
Yeah.
Swim, swim, swim.
De flesta.
I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes it or not. There is a moment meant for us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
The food at this place, at the waterfalls, are great. I highly recommend it. The sticky rice. What do you think about the sticky rice?
It was so delicious. Really? Could have just eaten one plate with sticky rice.
Our driver waited for us for 4 hours, I think, and actually we are pretty tired now, so I think we only will go home and take a shower and take it easy tonight. So I think we will end the vlog here for today. Goodbye!
Skål!